Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will show you how to add your Twitch subscriber count in OBS, a great way to engage viewers by showing your current sub and goal. First, open your browser. I'm using Brave here, and then go to streamselements.com. Once you're there, all you have to do is click Get Start. And now, connect your Twitch account by following the prompt. And once you're logged in, look to the left menu and then click Streaming Tools, and then again select Overlay. And now press Create New Overlay. Now from here you can choose your resolutions. Once you're done, hit Start. Now on the left you can press Add Widget. Head over to Labels and choose Subscriber. And then also add a goal widget. Like here, go to Subscriber and then select Subscriber Goal. And you will see a pop-up for the goal, and on the left you can pick any design you want. And you can go to the settings. You can change the title, you can set your own goal number, and you can also change the background color, the size, text font, whatever fits your style. Once you are done, go to the top right and then click Save. And you can also give your overlay a name. Let's say I'm going to give it Twitch. And then select Save. And now click the link icon at the top right to get your overlay URL. Copy it. Now go back to OBS, go to Source, and then press plus button, and then select Browser. And then click OK. And all you have to do is paste the URL right here. And hit OK. Okay, and now you can see the subscriber goal has added to my OBS already. You can resize it, drag it, keep it wherever you think it looks better. And that's it. Your Twitch subscriber count and goal are now live on your stream. I hope this video helped, so like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.